Hey guys, welcome to my poster presentation. The topic of my presentation is about self-assembled monolayers on copper substrates, the bare copper. And the self-assembled monolayers we chose was ODPA, which is a phosphonic acid with the 18 hydrocarbon chain as a tail group. And yeah, as the name tells, the self-assembled monolayers are usually self-assembled in the solution on the surface, and they are usually monolayers, such as cells. They have been studied for many years on copper and gold since they form monolayers, and they can functionalize the surface with different abilities, such as corrosion inhibition, like hydrophobicity, such as some other properties. And we use ODPA since this is a phosphonic acid, which is greener, and we also want to use this molecule to functionalize our surface with corrosion inhibition. But surprisingly, we found a multilayer formation instead of a monolayer, and in the beginning, we struggled for a long time to convince ourselves that the monolayer is the multilayer is really the multilayers. We use IR, AFM to measure topography, to measure the quantity of the molecules on the surface, and we really found out, yeah, they are multilayers on the surface. And we also use sonication to see if this multilayer is really robust or it's just physiosorbed. But it turned out after 30 minutes sonication, we can finally remove most of the molecules. So it has some robustness, and it cannot be just simply physiosorbed. And then we use SPS with sputtering mode and to sput away like every layer. And we finally found they are copper 1 plus in the film, and they are forming copper 1 plus ODPA complex to have this kind of multilayer, or you can call it ODPA copper complex. And it's also surprising since it should be copper 2, as we always thinking, since to have two arms to bind this kind of to form this kind of multilayer or to as a bridge. But we just find out there's only copper 1 plus in the film. So yeah, the bonding between the copper 1 plus and ODPA molecules are still under study, but we can suggest some coordinate bonding between these two components in the film. So yeah, please have a look at my poster, and thank you so much for your time.